Yes, everyone is able to see my screen now. Is everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we will start. Uh, in the previous lecture, I have talked about the Boolean expressions. Okay, the Boolean algebraic expressions. We have also seen what are the variables, what are the literals. Okay, what are the terms. These three are the important terminologies as far as your Boolean expressions are concerned. Okay, they are called as the Boolean expressions because we are using the variables in that, and these variables are nothing but they are the input. They are the input. So whenever you are dealing with the Boolean equations or the Boolean algebra, it is the variables in which we are dealing with. So whenever you write down any function by using these variables, you have to see that which are the literals. You have to identify the literals. You should be able to identify the variables used in the Boolean function. You should be able to identify the terms. So which are the terms in that Boolean expression? So already we have seen all these different terminologies. We have also seen some of the important laws or the different what do you say? They are having they are called as a theorem also. They are called as a the properties we can say. We can call them as the postulates. We can call them as axioms. So with these axioms you should know by heart. Okay, why we should know this? Because in the exam they are going to give you some boolean function or the boolean expression, and they are asking you to prove this, that your left hand side is equal to your right hand side. So there are two ways to solve this. Either you can go with the truth table, or else you have to go by solving the left hand side by using these different laws or by using these different theorems. Okay, so it will be defined there by using the truth table. Then in the case of truth table, it becomes simple. But if you go by the truth table, it will consume more time. It is time consuming. But if you know these different theorems, then by using those theorems, you will be able to prove your LHS, your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. Okay, so we will see it today. Just we will revise what we have done in the last lecture. These are the some of the expressions we have studied. Number one, x plus 0 is equals to x. Then it is 2. The second one is x dot 1 is equals to x. Then we have 3 plus x plus 1 is equals to 1. 4 x into 0 is 0. X plus x is equals to x, and x dot x is equals to x. Okay, then if you proceed further, I'm going to revise this. I think total we have seen some 17 theorems or the laws. Then we have x dot x complement or x bar, that gives you 1, and x dot x bar is equals to 0. X double bar, x double bar gives you x. Then cumulative in terms of and operation, cumulative in terms of or operation. So x plus y is equals to y plus x, or x dot y is equals to y dot x. Associative, it is x plus in bracket y plus z is nothing but x plus y in bracket plus z. In terms of if you are doing some add operation, then it is x in bracket yz is equals to in bracket xy bracket close into z. So that is associative. In distributive, if it is x into y plus z, it is equals to xy plus xz. Okay, that is and distributes over or. This is very important. How do you read this? And distributes over or. And distributes over or. Similarly, in distributive, if it is x plus yz, we can write down x plus y into x plus z. That is or distributes over and. I have asked you to do this, to cross check this by using the truth table. These are important. So जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया है, please cross check by using the truth table. Okay, you will be able to see your left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, so these are this one comes under the distributive properties or distributive law. Then we have seen then we have seen then we have seen the De Morgan's theorem. This is very important. We have seen the De Morgan's theorem. So De Morgan's theorem says that in first case, if I am writing down x plus y the whole bar, x plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar dot y bar. X plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar dot y bar. Okay. The other form of this De Morgan's theorem is x into y the whole bar. X into y the whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. X bar plus y bar. So De Morgan's theorem ये बताता है कि if you are using the if you are taking the complement of the OR operation, if you are doing the complementing of the OR operation, then in that case you will be able to distribute. How we can be able to change this form? Your plus will be converted into, and your individual bars will be formed. Individual bars. Okay. So आपका individual bars will be there. Your individual bars will be there. Okay. So this is the one form. This is the one form that we have to understand. So whenever you are doing some OR operation between the two variables, and if I'm having the complement that can be converted into the De Morgan's form, that is, we have to take the individual complement and the plus operation will be converted into AND operation, or that's the operation. That operation will be that OR operation will be converted to AND operation. Okay. Similarly, if you are doing AND operation between the two variables and its complement, then De Morgan says that your AND operation will be converted into plus operation, that is your OR operation, and we have to take its individual complement, that is x bar plus y bar. So this is a De Morgan's theorem. This is a De Morgan's theorem. Now this De Morgan's theorem that is also called as a duality property. Okay, हम वो देखेंगे अभी इसके बाद. That is also called as a duality property. So do not write anything. I am just giving you the understanding that this De Morgan's theorem, जिसमें हम प्लस को कर रहे हैं इनटू और इनटू को कर रहे हैं प्लस, and we are taking the individual complement. So this is also called as a duality property, but worldwide it is more famous by the De Morgan's theorem. So in the exam they may ask you to write down the De Morgan's theorem and proof that x plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar dot y bar, or proof x y the whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. Okay, and you can show this by using the truth table. So this is by using the truth table. Okay, so we will talk about the duality property in today's lecture, but I'm just revising what we have done. Any questions you have till this point? किसी को कुछ doubt है? Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now, before I proceed further, now I will be talking about the duality property. So please write down on the fresh page, duality property. Duality property. Write on the fresh page as a heading as duality property. And this is not something new we are going to understand. This is already we have studied. लेकिन मुझे आपको बताना है कि duality property क्या है. Okay. So in this case, I will be just giving you few examples. Under the duality property, you have to draw two columns. Okay. The first column is about the expression, the Boolean expression I am talking about, the Boolean expression, and what is the duality of this. So duality. What is the duality of this expression? So under the duality property, you have to make two columns. In one column, you will be writing down the expression. In the other column, you will be writing down the duality. Okay. So in the duality property, I am going to take the important ones. Okay. So write on the first one. After I give you this expression and its duality, then we will see in general how do you get the duality of an expression. मैं फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ. First, we will write down the expression and its duality, and then afterwards we will conclude that how do you get the duality of an expression. So number one, write down. You are familiar with this. This is not new. AB the whole bar. Tell me what is AB the whole bar by using the De Morgan's theorem. It is
A bar plus B bar.
yes, A bar plus B bar. A बार प्लस बी बार, ये एक्सप्रेशन है, इसका ड्युअलिटी क्या है? इसका ड्युअलिटी है ए प्लस बी द होल बार इक्वल्स टू ए बार डॉट बी बार. मैंने इसलिए आपको बताया था कि डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम इज नथिंग बट द ड्युअलिटी प्रॉपर्टी. And how do you get the duality property? After writing down the first expression and its duality, I am going to conclude. Everyone please listen. Everyone please listen. What we have to do, we have to replace or by and operation. We have to replace or by and operation. मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि how do you get the duality of an expression. तो जहां जहां पे और है उसको रिप्लेस करो and के साथ, जहां जहां पे and है उसको रिप्लेस करो और के साथ, जहां जहां पे जीरो है उसको रिप्लेस करो वन के साथ, और जहां जहां पे वन है उसको रिप्लेस करो जीरो के साथ. Okay, so what I have said, what I have told you, I am writing down here. Your all will be replaced by and, your and will be replaced by or. जहाँ पे your zero just a minute. Okay, ठीक है, वो चला गया. So I am writing down once again. So we are talking about the expression and the duality. I have taken the first one as AB the whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar, and its duality is A plus B the whole bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. So I have given you that, I have asked you to how to get the duality. So in that case, I will write down in the next page. You will be replacing or with and. अगर and है that will be replaced by or. अगर zero है that will be replaced by one. और अगर one है that will be replaced by zero. So with this four important replacement, we will be achieving the duality. अब see here now in the previous page. So A dot B the whole bar. So your and is your or your and operation is converted. You are replaced by or and. Your or operation is replaced by and. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here you have. Let me write down here. You have here you have or operation that is replaced by and. That is replaced by and. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जीरो नहीं है तो मैं वन को रिप्लेस नहीं करूंगा, यहाँ पे वन नहीं है तो मैं जीरो को रिप्लेस नहीं करूंगा, यहाँ पे एंड नहीं है तो उसको मैं रिप्लेस नहीं करूंगा और के साथ. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ऑपरेटर है, वो है और उसको मैंने रिप्लेस किया है एंड के साथ. उसको मैंने रिप्लेस किया है एंड के साथ. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या है? हियर आई एम रिप्लेसिंग एंड विथ और. So can you see here? And is replaced with or. Okay, and is replaced with or, and this is by the De Morgan's theorem. This is by the De Morgan's theorem. So you can prove this by using the truth table. By using the truth table. This can be also proved by using the different laws which we have studied. Okay, लेकिन अभी हम वो प्रूफ के लिए नहीं जा रहे. ऑलरेडी हमने ट्रूथ टेबल के साथ हमने प्रूफ करके देखा है. So I'm not going to go into detail. The second one. The second one you can write down. Now second one we can write down. Okay. Now second one, if I want to write down, similarly I will take an example where 1 will be replaced by 0. You take a simple example. ये सब हमने already किया है, so nothing to worry about this. If I'm taking, for example, if I'm taking a dot 0, a dot 0, a dot 0. So tell me what is a dot 0? Tell me what is a dot 0?
0.
A plus
It is
1.
a dot 0 is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I want the duality of this expression. So duality of the expression. Okay, duality of the expression. Now if you see properly in the duality of expression, you will be able to understand. You will be able to understand that in the duality, your AND operation. Abhi my duality. I'm getting the duality now. Okay. In this, you have an OR operation that will be converted into AND operation. That will be converted in your AND operation. आपका जो A है that will be as it is. आपका जो A है that will be as it is. Then this 0 will be replaced by 1. That will be replaced by 1. You tell me now what is A plus 1? What is A plus 1?
1.
1. Yes. Can I say that your 0 is replaced by 1 now? Now everywhere if you see A is as it is because there is no change. Your operation, that is OR operation, is converted into AND operation. And your 0 is replaced by 1. And this 0 is replaced by 1. So can I say A dot 0 equals to 0 and A plus 1 is equals to 1. They are duality. They follow the duality property. They follow the duality property. Do you agree with this? They follow the duality property? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. अभी वैसे अभी ऊपर जाओ. अभी फर्स्ट वाला देखो. अभी मैंने आपको जस्ट रिसेंटली अभी जो मैंने आपको बताया था वो डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम के हिसाब से बताया था. ओके. तो डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम बताता है कि आपका जो और ऑपरेशन है वो हो जाएगा प्लस और आपको लेना पड़ेगा इंडिविजुअल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ये हमने यहाँ पे ली. यहाँ पे डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम बताता है कि आपका प्लस हो जाएगा डॉट, आपका प्लस एंड ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा और ओके और आपको इंडिविजुअल कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे हमने लिया. ये डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम बताता है. अभी यही अगर मुझे आपको डुअलिटी प्रॉपर्टी में बताना है. अब डुअलिटी प्रॉपर्टी में देखो मैं यही चीज कैसे बताऊंगा. पहले आपका क्या था, ए बी बार इज इक्वल्स टू a bar plus b bar. Now I am achieving the duality now. I want to achieve the duality of this expression. Again, repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing. What? Here you have a. Okay, so a will be written as it is. Here you have OR operation. So OR operation will be converted into plus. Your b will be written as it is. So आपका a आपने ऐसा लिखा. But if you remember, there is a b the whole bar. So I have to take a b the whole bar. Here also I have to take the whole bar. Okay. लेकिन उसके पहले मुझे b का भी सेम के वैसे लिखना है. Now here we have a b के ऊपर the whole bar. So here also we will have a plus b के ऊपर भी whole bar. I am achieving the duality of this expression. Okay. तो a वैसे के वैसे, b वैसे के वैसे, और ऑपरेशन कन्वर्टेड इनटू एंड ऑपरेशन. देयर इज अ होल बार, तो बार वैसे के वैसे आएगा. इक्वल्स टू वैसे के वैसे. अगेन द सेम थिंग. हियर यू हैव ए बार, तो ए बार विल बी रिटन एज इट इज. हियर यू हैव एंड ऑपरेशन विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय डॉट और ऑपरेशन. Your b bar will be replaced. It will not be replaced. It will be written as same. Now, can you see that we have achieved the duality of this expression? Yes or no? I'm going very slowly to make you understand the duality property, because duality property also the questions are asked. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is your duality property. So in duality property, we have operated on the De Morgan's theorem, and we have got the two forms of the De Morgan's theorem. We have got the two forms of the De Morgan's theorem. So this is the case. Now we will proceed further. हमने अभी दो एक्सप्रेशन देखे. We have seen the two expression. पहले De Morgan's का एक्सप्रेशन देखा और बाद में ये वाला एक्सप्रेशन देखा. I hope you have written the second one. Okay. So we will continue further. We will continue further and we will write down the third one now. कहीं पे भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है, you please ask me. You please ask me. Okay. Now you take the other example. I will take some complex example now for the expression. Okay. So if I am taking, okay, I will take this expression. If I am taking a into a plus b, a into a plus b, a into a plus b is equals to a. Now this is an expression. Here I am not asking you the proof. You can prove this, that a into a plus b is equals to a. A into a plus b is equals to a. A into a plus b equals to a. Okay, I am not asking you the proof, but this is the expression which will satisfy. अगर आप left hand side को solve करेंगे, you will get this. So we are not going to solve this. Okay, we are not going to solve this. Now I want the duality of this expression. So again, can any one of you tell me? Can any one of you tell me what is the duality of this expression? Yes, a will be written as it is.
फिर और आएगा.
हाँ, अभी ये आपका जो यहाँ पे जो और ऑपरेशन है एंड वाला, ये रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
और आएगा ना सर.
इट इज एंड ऑपरेशन.
फिर और.
ओके, आपका ये जो डॉट ऑपरेशन है दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू योर प्लस ऑपरेशन. यस और नो?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो आपका ये भी जो आपका और ऑपरेशन है दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू योर और ऑपरेशन. Then this a will be written as it is. So I am writing down the a as it is. Now here you have or operation that will be replaced by
Dot operation.
dot operation. Very good. That is replaced by dot operation. B will be as it is. B will be as it. B will be as it. Okay. B will be as it is. Equals to will be as it is and a will be as it is. So a plus ab is equals to a. This is the duality form of this expression. और दूसरी बात ये भी है कि अगर आप प्रूफ करोगे कि a plus ab is equals to a, वो भी ट्रूथ टेबल के हिसाब से you will be able to prove. Now मैं जब प्रूफ की बात करता हूँ, you have two options, either go by truth table or you go by using the theorems or the laws. That is up to you. Okay, तो हमने ये देखा है कि हम जब duality अचीव करते हैं, even it will satisfy that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, that thing also we can achieve here. So this is your third one. See the fourth one. In the fourth one, if I'm taking a dot b dot c, if I'm taking a dot b dot c, ये हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं is equals to a dot b dot c. Which is the property I am using here? What is the property I am using here?
Distributive. Sir.
Yes, it is
Associative.
associative. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
It is it is associative property which I'm following here. A dot in bracket B dot C can be written as in bracket A dot B bracket close into C. So अगर हम देखेंगे, your left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Either you can go with the theorem or you can go with the truth table. Okay, so this is equal. Now if I want the duality of this, your A will be written as A, your dot operation will be replaced by plus operation. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ये बराबर, हाँ yes. अभी आपका जो ब्रैकेट है, the bracket will be as it is. आपका भी आप वैसे के वैसे लिखोगे. आपका डॉट ऑपरेशन will be converted into will be replaced by plus operation, और आपका C वैसे के वैसे. Then this equals to will be as it is. Then this A will be written as it is, but it is in the bracket, so I should write down the bracket there. So A, this dot operation will be converted into B, your or operation, that will be converted into or operation. Okay, and then after this here also you have a dot, so that dot will be also converted into plus, and this C will be written as it is. So you can see here, this is the duality of this expression. So A plus in bracket B plus C is equals to in bracket A plus B bracket close plus C. So this is your duality. So always remember, in the duality we are achieving your left hand side is equals to right side also. उसमें ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम duality में duality कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसमें we are not achieving left hand side is equals to right hand side, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. So if you follow the duality property, which properties or will be replaced by and will be replaced by or, 0 will be replaced by 1 and 1 will be replaced by 0. अगर ये properly आप करते हो, then you will be getting the duality of an expression without compromising the left hand side equals to right hand side. Do you agree with this or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the write down the last two. Write down the last two. Once you have understood the duality, you will be able to give me the answer. So if I'm writing A dot A, tell me what is A dot A? A dot A. Yes, it is A. You will be writing down the duality of this. And for the last one, if I'm asking you, tell me what is A dot A bar? A dot A bar?
0.
Very good. I want the duality. तो इसका पहले फिफ्थ वाला का duality बताओ फटाफट.
A plus A.
A plus A is equals to
A.
very good. और actually A plus A होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, okay. It is not 2A, it is single A. ठीक है. ये 6 वाला का duality बताओ.
A plus A bar
A plus A bar
equal to 1.
very good. और actually A plus A bar equals to 1 होता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, मुझे और एक चीज बताओ. A plus A is equals to A, ये कौन से थ्योरम में हमने पढ़ा?
Identity.
Very good. It is identity. और A plus A bar is equals to 1, ये कौन से थ्योरम में पढ़ा? You can go back to your previous pages and tell me A plus A bar is equals to 1. This is under which property?
Identity. Identity.
आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी बोलो. अच्छा ठीक है, आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी हमने लिया था शायद. ओके, उसके लेकिन दैट इज अ डिफरेंट. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. उसके लेकिन अलग से हम बोलते हैं, सॉरी इसके लिए, हाँ इसके लिए हम अलग से बोलते हैं. दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ. दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ. दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ. दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ. आइडेंटिटी भी दैट इज फाइन. वो भी दैट इज ऑल्सो राइट. दैट इज ऑल्सो राइट. अगर स्पेसिफिकली बताना है तो इट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन फॉर्म. वैसे ये भी कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन फॉर्म ही है. कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन इसलिए कहा जाता है कि वेरिएबल और उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट, variable or operation with its complement, variable or operation with its complement, variable and operation with its complement. तो अब जब हम एंड करते हैं तो 0 आता है और करते हैं तो 1 आता है. ओके, तो हम दोनों को कलेक्टिवली कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ कह सकते हैं, उसको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ कह सकते हैं. इज इट फाइन? शैल वी प्रोसीड फर्दर? हम आगे बढ़े
सर.
हाँ
सर ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ ही है ना?
फिर से बोलो. ए
कॉम्प्लीमेंट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, हाँ, ए डबल बार इज इक्वल्स टू, बताओ, ए डबल बार इज इक्वल्स टू ए, बराबर है.
ये भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
स्पेसिफिकली हम इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं बोलते बिकॉज देयर हैज टू बी अ और ऑपरेशन और एंड ऑपरेशन, है ना, तभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अच्छा, और एक बात है, आपने ये जो मुझे बताया ना, ए प्लस ए डॉट ए इज इक्वल्स टू ए और ए प्लस ए इज इक्वल्स टू ये हमने आइडेंटिटी लॉ में पढ़ा है, लेकिन आपको इसको स्पेसिफिकली यू कैन राइट डाउन हियर, ये भी करो, ये आपके याद में रहेगा. जैसे आपने कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ लिखा है इसके लिए, ए प्लस ए बार इज इक्वल्स टू 1 और ए डॉट ए बार इज इक्वल्स टू 0, these are called as complementation law. to be specific, वैसे ये भी आइडेंटिटी लॉ में आता है, लेकिन अगर स्पेसिफिकली आपको पूछा जाता है देन इट इज कॉल्ड इट विल कम अंडर द कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन लॉ. और वैसे ही अगर a डॉट a इज इक्वल्स टू a और a प्लस a इज इक्वल्स टू a, both of this will come under, if in a specific, it will come under idempotence law. I D E M P O T E N C E, idempotence law. idempotence law, ये लिखो आप, प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस. तो idempotence law बताता है a डॉट a इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस a इज इक्वल्स टू a. इसका मतलब वेरिएबल विथ और ऑपरेशन विथ इटसेल्फ. हम ऐसा बोल सकते कि और ऑपरेशन बिटवीन द सेम वेरिएबल, और हम बोल सकते हैं एंड ऑपरेशन विद द सेम वेरिएबल. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एंड ऑपरेशन विद द सेम वेरिएबल विल गिव यू a and or operation with the same variable we also will give you a. So this is idempotence law, and these two are complementation law. Is it fine? Is it fine? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes. So these are the different laws. I think no law is left now. हमने सब लॉ देख लिया है. अच्छा, और एक बात है, ये भी लिख दो. अभी किसी ने मुझे पूछा था a डबल बार इज इक्वल्स टू a, ये will have the specific law which is called as involution law. ये सब लिख डालो, involution law. So this is a specific involution law. This is a specific involution law. This is a specific involution. So before I go to the, अभी ये सब खत्म हो गया, all the laws we have completed. मैं just बोलता हूँ आपको, we have studied identity law, we have studied commutative law, we have studied distributive law, we have seen associative law, we have seen complementation law, we have studied distributive law. बाद में हमने देखा है, अभी लेटेस्ट में हमने देखा है which one, complementation law and idempotence law. और अभी लेटेस्ट में लास्ट वाला जो देखा है वो है इवोल्यूशन. आई थिंक ऑल द लॉज वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. वी हैव स्टडीड डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम. डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम हैज टू फॉर्म्स, a plus b the whole bar is equals to a bar dot b bar. A b the whole bar is equals to a bar plus b bar. Okay, and we have also seen the duality. We can achieve the duality from the given expression. Just we have to follow the 4 norms. Number 1, or replaced by and. Number 2, and replaced by or. Number 3, 0 replaced by 1. And number 4, 1 replaced by 0. So I think here we have completed all the laws. Now we will solve few questions on this. But before I go, once again, if you have question, you please ask me. Without doubt, shall I proceed further? Shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will. मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है, एक मिनट, मेरा शायद लैपटॉप हैंग हो गया. Yes, all of you pay attention now. This is important one. Now write down the heading as Boolean function. Write down the heading as Boolean function. See, Boolean function or Boolean algebra, there is not a huge difference. Okay, लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊंगा what is a Boolean function now. Write down the heading as a Boolean function. Write down the heading as a Boolean function, and write down, all of you write down. Write down here. Now, if I am writing down any expression, can you see our expression is written here? X into y bar, x into z bar plus y. Now this is an expression, Boolean expression. Okay, but if I am writing down this in terms of function, you know how many variables are there? There are 3 variables, which are they? X, y, and z. So this expression can be written as a Boolean function f. The Boolean function f on the variables x comma y comma z, and the expression as x z bar plus y. X z bar plus y. X z bar plus y. So this is an expression. Okay. So Boolean function मुझे अगर बोलना है तो I will say the function with respect to 3 variables. 3 variables क्यों? क्योंकि एक्सप्रेशन में 3 variables clearly दिख रहे हैं. क्योंकि एक्सप्रेशन में 3 variables clearly दिख रहे हैं. Okay. I'm able to see the 3 variables. तो मैं 3 variables अगर यूज कर रहा हूँ, please pay attention. This is the minute details. These are the very minute details. You should know this. So if I'm using x, y, z as the 3 variables, I can go from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. I can go from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then, then with respect to x, y, z, and these are the different, how many combinations? Total 8 combinations, if you see properly. Now using these 8 combinations, if I'm using this Boolean expression with x z bar plus y, then with different 8 combinations, I am having the output in the form of x z bar plus y. इसका मतलब ये है, अगर x y z 0 है तो x z bar plus y 0 है. अगर x y z 1 1 0 है तो x z bar plus y will give you 1. इसका मतलब ये है कि x y z वेरिएबल अगर 1 0 0 है तो x z bar plus y will give you 1. ओके, तो ये बीच वाला वही है. पहले z बार देखो, z था, z बार नहीं था, तो वो z बार मैंने वहां से निकाला, और x z बार, x तो ऑलरेडी है, z बार भी है, तो दोनों का एंड ऑपरेशन ये सब यहाँ पे लिखा. तो ये कुछ नया नहीं कर रहे हम, ये ट्रूथ टेबल है. दिस इज द ट्रूथ टेबल. लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे आपको बताना था कि बुलियन फंक्शंस अगर हम लिखते हैं, so for different XY combinations you will have 8 different types of output. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this understanding, we will be solving some problems. Now here you will be writing down. Here you will be writing down. Wait. Okay, ठीक है. उसके पहले हम we will solve some problem and we can proceed further. Yes, write down the question, everyone. Prove the following Boolean expression. Please write down the expression. Prove the following Boolean expression. Prove the following Boolean expression. Prove the following Boolean expression. Yes, write down the first one. Write down the first one. I want everyone to prove this. What you have to prove? Write down number one. A plus A bar B. A plus A bar B is equals to A plus B. I want everyone to solve this by using the theorems and the laws which we have studied today. वो theorem use करके मुझे proof करो your LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, I want you to solve this and prove this that your LHS is equals to right hand side. Okay, you can start with the LHS or else you can start from the RHS. So whichever you find. See, if you have command over the laws, आपको पता चलेगा कि मैंने left hand side लेना चाहिए. Okay, so I want everyone to start with the left hand side and solve this so that ultimately you will get A plus B. You will get A plus B. I want everyone to solve this. Yes. और जिसको आंसर मिला, please let me know.
Sir, मेरी answer.
You have got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Let others also solve this.
Yes, sir.
बाकी को मिला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think two of them have solved. Anyone from the girl side? Anyone from the girl side? No one from the girl side? ठीक है. किसको आंसर मिला?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मुझे बताओ. So you will write down your LHS is equals to A plus A bar B. Yes. Tell me how you are going to solve this. A plus A bar.
We'll write it as A plus A bar in one bracket, and then in another bracket we'll write it as A plus A bar.
Distributor.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ
हाँ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? A
प्लस ए बार
A plus
ए बार
A bar
Dot.
dot
होल्ड
ब्रैकेट में आएगा.
Hold
ब्रैकेट में
है,
आएगा.
हाँ ब्रैकेट में आएगा सर
हाँ.
ए प्लस बी
dot bracket A plus B.
A plus B. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So what is A plus? So A plus A bar is what?
1.
1.
1.
Complement.
A plus A bar is 1.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute. Is equals to A plus A bar is 1, and this will be written as A plus B. Yes. So this is nothing but your final answer, A plus B. Yes, this is the right one. This is the right one. Okay. आपने ये कैसे क्या लिखा डायरेक्टली? You have to write down the reason. You have to write down the reason. आगे में you have to write down the reason. So A plus A bar into A plus B. How do you get this? By using which property?
Distributive.
So distributive property क्या बताती है? Distributive property क्या बताती है?
X plus Y plus X plus Z is equal to X plus Y Z.
X plus YZ is
Y.
equals to
X plus Y dot
X plus Y
dot X plus Z.
dot X plus Z. यही ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So by using this distributive law, you can write down this law also. Okay, dot 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 करके you have to show this by using the distributive law, and you can write down this law. You have got this A plus A bar into A plus B. So A plus A bar is equals to 1, and this will be written as it is, and so the final answer is A plus. Yes, this is the right one. Write down the second one. Write down the second one. All of you write down the second one. I want everyone to prove this. क्या प्रूफ करना है? A plus BC the whole bar, and into bracket A into B bar plus ABC equals to 0. Please prove this. A plus BC the whole bar in bracket AB bar plus ABC is equals to 0. Please prove this. और जिसका हुआ मुझे बताओ. What are we going to use here? Which theorem?
De Morgan.
Yes, De Morgan's theorem. You have to use this. We have to use the De Morgan's theorem. जिसको आंसर मिला, just let me know. Who has got the answer? Let me know. Yes, किसको आया आंसर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only one. Two. Anyone else? बाकी लोगों को आया? Okay, I will solve this. Please see here. Your LHS is equals to this one. I'm going to solve this by using the De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem क्या बताता है? Your A will be treated as A bar, and your plus operation will be converted into dot. ओके, सो ए बार डॉट बी सी का खुद का बार है और ये स्प्लिट हो जाएगा ऐसा। ओके, सो दिस टोटल हमने लिखा है ए बार डॉट, आपका प्लस का हुआ डॉट, ए का हो गया ए बार और बीसी बार का हो गया बीसी बार का बार, तो बीसी डबल बार। ओके, तो ये एक चीज हो गई। दूसरी वाली है ए बी बार प्लस ए बी सी। अब इसको सॉल्व करना है, तो ए बार वैसे के वैसे रहेगा, बीसी डबल बार को हो जाएगा ओनली बीसी। ओके, ओनली बीसी, तो मैं डायरेक्टली डबल बार कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, ये होगा एक ब्रैकेट में, दूसरे ब्रैकेट में होगा ए बी बार प्लस ए बी एंड सी। यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? हाँ ठीक है, आगे 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 बढ़ना है। आगे फिर हम एक काम कर सकते हैं, दिस कैन बी नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टीज हम इसमें यूज कर सकते हैं। इसके आगे क्या कर सकते हैं अभी हम?
ए कॉमन।
हाँ, या फिर एक काम कर सकते हैं, इसको हम ए बार बी सी इंटू ए बी बार प्लस ए बार बी सी इंटू ए बी सी। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे देखो ए बार, व्हाट इज ए डॉट ए बार? देखो ये भी, यहाँ पे भी डॉट है, यहाँ पे भी डॉट है, यहाँ पे भी डॉट है, यहाँ पे डॉट है, सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग ए बार। व्हाट इज ए बार? ए डॉट ए बार
0
हाँ, ये फिर पूरा जीरो हो गया, ये फिर पूरा जीरो हो गया। अब यहाँ पे भी वही केस है, बी ए डॉट ए बार, तो ए डॉट ए बार विल बी ऑल्सो जीरो, सो दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम जीरो। So finally 0 plus 0 will give you 0, so it is equals to RHS. It is equals to RHS. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we can stop for today. I will do one thing, in the next lecture I will be taking few examples on this proof. We will be taking the boolean functions and we have to prove whether it is left hand side is equals to right hand side. ये हम ट्रूथ टेबल से भी कर सकते हैं, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ। Do not waste your time by proving LHS equals to RHS by truth table. थ्योरम यूज करो और you can prove. See यार, सिर्फ 3 स्टेप्स में प्रूफ हो गया, लेकिन ट्रूथ टेबल में टाइम लगता है। So it is better go with this particular, go through the laws, try to understand the laws, have command over the laws, and use those laws to prove LHS equals to RHS. So in the next lecture I'll be taking few examples, और उसके बाद I will show you that about the NAND gate and NOR gate, why they are called as a universal gate, because any gate can be realized by using NAND gate or by using NOR gate. वो होने के बाद I will be completing my second module. So second module भी खत्म हो जाएगा, we can proceed towards the third module. In your test 1 you have module number 1 and module number 2 as a syllabus. You are having your exams from on 18th, 19th and 21. Okay, in the syllabus of DSD you have 2 modules. So in the next lecture I would be able to complete my second module so that we can proceed to the third module. Any question, any doubt?
No sir.
Okay, if you have any questions please ask. Attendance हो गया क्या?
Yes sir, हो गया।
हो गया ना, ठीक है ठीक है। So everyone can leave. किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन है वो रह सकते, अदर्स कैन। थैंक यू।
Thank you sir.
ओके, बाय बाय।